Is it possible to balance beauty and sensitive skin? Skander presents the new Aquatherm, reformulated to restore balance to the most sensitive and delicate skins, with all the soothing power of the new marine mineral thermal complex. Now, reinforced with specific active ingredients to address the 4 manifestations of sensitive skin. A complete range to provide a boost of care, hydration, calm, and protection. Now, with products to treat even reactive skin. Discover the immediate comfort of the new Aquatherm. Restore balance to your sensitive skin.